Okay, so now look, there's 2 things that you're gonna do here.
Okay.
Your classic pose is this one, right? Your other one that I like is when you come in front of her, goes like down.
Yep.
Or something like that.
Okay.
And you look down.
Right. Okay.
So when I say switch to your other pose,
That's what you mean. Okay.
So we're just gonna do the classic one first. I want to wait for her to come out here.
See if she comes soon.
You can still take pictures without the lip gloss. We'll put it on when she gets back. And you'll, that's cool. She's here. I hear her.
Oh my God, I need her. Oh my God.
So this is gonna be good. It's gonna take off, right?
Yep.
So what I'm gonna do is go. And then you just kind of lift it up.
Oh my God, I love
Here,
you.
man. Here's like pull up, right?
I got you. I got married on a beach in Mexico. I know all about the wind.
Oh my God. So much better.
Okay.
I was dying. All right, and I got pockets.
Wow.
Okay.
Okay, so I want you to go into your second pose here,
Yep.
right?
So the
I want
more-
you to go down.
Yep.
Yeah, we're gonna have to, and I want you looking down this way.
Like that?
Try to shift your hair back a little bit.
Yeah, so it holds.
Yeah, now let's go into it because I got this win.
Okay.
Girls, I got this win. Girls, out of the way.
Okay.
Out of the way, out of the way, out of the way, out of the way. Okay, go back in there and bring it up again. I think we got it. That stay
Okay,
down like
stay
you were.
down.
Don't move. Okay, I'm gonna count you again. Ready? Girls, I'm gonna count you on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3, up. That was money.
That was
just stay.
insane.
Don't even move.
Yeah, it's insane. It's always a good one.
Right here, Dan.
Get a long veil.
I'm coming.
Gotta get a long veil. You can do so much with it.
I want you classic pose to start.
Can I fix your veil?
Yes.
Thank you. You girls are working
I
overtime.
want you looking at me to start.
You really need 2 mates.
You really
like
need 2. This
Yeah.
is a lot for one person. You really need 2.
Yeah, who's helping in the bathroom?
Exactly.
Okay, at me on 3. Ready?
Okay.
1, 2. Stay like that. We're gonna get all of that behind you. That's good. Okay, your next pose there. Go down to your second. Yeah.
My shoes and shit aren't in it, right?
No.
Those shoes out of there. You're not in the shot. No, you're good. 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 You're good.
Okay. Just at each other to start. Bride and groom kiss for me. Hold it. Don't move. Stay like you guys are. Okay. Now what we're gonna do? Where's my bridesmaids of honor?
Right here.
Okay.
Sorry, babe.
Now what we're gonna do is a little tricky here. When you're around her waist space here, we're gonna bring her veil over the top, over both.
Oh, yeah, we did this.
Oh.
So
We need to shake it good first.
So look.
At each other. You got this.
Yeah. No, I was taking the.
Sorry?
Okay, so we're gonna go over top of them. Here.
Sure.
Hold the end, Aim. Ready? Hold on. Wrapped in Jesus' love.
This is not a Jesus love wedding.
The Lord is here.
Alright, stay tight on her. So we just want to
We are in
Okay, so what I need is, where's one of my girls at? Over here for me. You can stay here and just hold that down. You're not gonna be in the food.
Get my hot Cheeto hand in there.
Okay, hold it. Just at each other just like that. Stay like you are. Don't move. Nose to nose for me. Forehead to forehead for me. Almost kissing, like lips close to each other. Now kiss for me and hold it. Don't move. Okay, Dan, just stay like you are. We're gonna bring this back over. Bring this back over there. Just stay. Stay. Easy. You want your veil on for all the photos, right?
For these, yeah. I think, Maddie, when do you say I
Just
take it
double
off?
check.
When we're done photos.
Yeah.
Okay, you know what, Matt? Let's bring them up onto
Sorry.
the brick up here, okay? You can grab down here.
They're so chapped.
Veil or dress?
We're just gonna bring all of this up there. So grab her dress.
Yep.
Get out of the pictures.
Okay, guys, we're gonna come up here by the brick. Actually, let's bring them over here.
Okay.
You want bouquet?
Bouquet or?
Yeah, that might be nice.
Okay, so we're gonna bring up the steps here. So I think what's really cool is if you put her on the top and then just let her dress come all the way down, right? So you're actually gonna come
And face the door.
you know what? I'm gonna put you here because I'm gonna eventually wind up putting him there.
Do I face this way or face the door? Okay. Got it.
This will literally
I know. Maybe I should turn this way.
Yes.
Yeah, that's better.
Yes.
Okay.
Slide.
This looks pretty right here.
So Meg, slide over a little.
Yep.
Perfect.
And then as much as you guys want to bring it out. Okay, just I need her flowers.
Step
Right here.
back.
So pretty.
Or you'll be in there.
Okay, Dan, where you at?
Right here.
Okay, I just
Jump
want
up
you to
there.
sit right here for me, Dan.
Yes,
Unbutton
sir.
your jacket. Kind of leaned over like we did before, right? Lean over a little.
This one?
Right at me. Let's get that wind. Okay, go up. Lean your butt against it.
You mean up here?
Nah. Actually, yeah. Hand in your pocket. I like when you're turned with your hand in your pocket.
There you
go.
go.
And Dan, maybe like a little like that. There we go.
There you go.
Okay, Meg, you stay with me. Dan, look right at Meg. Stay like that. Stay like you guys are. Video guys, you good?
Yep.
Yep.
And how about we bring her over
Yeah.
by that brick in that window?
Yeah, this one's easy. When I sat on it, it popped up.
You're good. Do your thing.
Cufflinks are
The watch
never
was the
long
gift.
enough.
So back to her.
Yep.
Hand in your pocket here. Doesn't have to be just like that. You guys
I'm flying.
Yeah.
kind of like sly eye it back there, right, Dan?
Smile, yeah.
Bring this up here.
There you go.
And I liked how you were just kind of leaning on him right there. At me to start, Meg. Sly eye it with her hand. Yep, close those eyes. Dan, just turn around now and face her.
Community House in Moorestown.
Okay. I want you
Okay.
before show that ring, right? Yeah. Just like that. 2 hands on his cheeks there for me, Meg. Bring him in and just plant one right on him. Yes, hold that. Don't move. Such a great shot. So you're gonna have right over here for me, Dan. Make it easy for her. Okay, and just face up there, hand in your pocket here. Meg, you're gonna come over here. Yeah. And again, kind of just like that. Face me.
Like this?
Yep.
Yeah. And I like how you're holding his hand here.
Now it's like
We're gonna let this go this way because I want to
Yeah.
not have too much of it in this. Gotcha. Just like that. Big smile. Yeah. Perfect. Just wait for your video, guys. Okay. We're good. Good. Okay. Dan, let's bring her down over here.
Oh, like the way Vince runs. He's like, let's bring her down. Let's go. But that's how I am.
We wanted to like this.
Literally.
Go enjoy ourselves.
Exactly.
Right.
Okay, where's my girls at?
Not even.
It's gonna be okay.
Yeah.
All right, Dan, my whole goal here is, are you okay on this or no?
Yeah, I'll be fine.
You sure?
Yeah.
You're sure?
Yeah. Why? Is it wet?
No,
No, it's not.
It's just, you know, I'm gonna have you, let's give her space again. So, Matt, I want her here, and we'll bring her dress out over this way, right? Let's have her solo to start.
I don't have. That's me, Amy, because I don't have
Okay,
any
Amy,
shoes
can we
on.
just,
shoes on.
yeah.
What do you want us to do here?
So she's gonna be right here, and I just want her dress brought out to me over here.
I got one over there.
Okay. Do you need us to do it right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it homemade?
I think
Eric, let Eric help because the girls don't have shoes on. Help fluff the dress.
I don't know how to do that.
You just throw it.
Just pick it
Vince will
up.
help you. Vince
And
will
then
help
Yeah, I wear dresses all the time. I don't know how to do this.
Pretend it's a parachute. Just fire.
Never did that in the army either. So just
Gym
turn.
class. When you were a kid.
Yeah.
I like it like that.
Yeah.
Do we have her flowers?
Yes.
Do I have to?
Yeah.
What, you're gonna put your flowers
Dan,
on your left
Dan.
hand over here?
I just don't want to get a prick.
Hey, Dan, let's have her solo to start.
Yeah.
Yeah, do me a favor. That trash can, like just boot that all the way out there for me. All right, Meg, just you and this
Okay.
tree that has to be like 1,000 years old, right? Okay. At me, Meg. And you can hold that veil down with your hand, right? Just like that. Perfect. What was that? I got you. Stay here. Dan. Meg, right here. Give her her space again, and then you're going to come in here. Right? Love it. Don't move.
Can we look at her?
Yes.
Guys,
Just like
look at
that. Yeah. Okay. Stay with your video, guys, okay? That tree has to be like
Yeah, it's so cool.
100 years old now.
How you doing?
You want Meg to stay put or are we good?
No, we're good.
I do. I hate this side. Sorry, we gotta start over.
Start right
Sorry.
there.
Sorry.
There you go. Yeah.
So awkward with all this shit tonight. Yeah.
Woo!
Oh, the opposite way. We should
I like that. Walk with her thing.
Okay.
Walk. Yeah, let him.
Aw, so cute!
Oh my god.
So fun!
Okay. We can keep going too if you want to get him next to me because I would like that. Dan, come to my right. Watch those shoes. Okay.
Yeah, on those shoes.
Okay. So much better. This, I love this side. This is so much better. Good. Keep going.
Okay, so we're gonna use this bench over here.
Good job, people.
Okay, bride and groom, come here. Do me a favor, Dan. Pick up her dress, pick up her veil, and you're gonna come over here where this bench is. Dan, let me show you how we're gonna do this. Last shot,
Oh, wow. Okay.
Let me see.
right? You gotta sell this, okay? And you gotta
Don't
like,
break the bench.
Oh,
gotta,
man, I feel like I'm gonna.
Oh shit.
Ooh.
okay? So this is how
Stand
we're
on
gonna do
wait,
this.
Try to
I'm good,
stand
I'm
on the
good.
metal part.
Stand on the
Yeah.
views.
So what we're gonna do is you're gonna.
If I go through, you gotta get that shot.
Can we
But I'll
bring
go
her
through.
dress out like this way a little bit?
So I'm like this.
Okay,
almost,
so
like-
look, here's the
Yeah.
thing. You guys can't move.
Okay.
You need to face
Face me.
him.
Face him.
I'm gonna show you this. Sorry.
Yep, no, you're good.
I'll show you one more time. So the best thing for you to do would be to hold onto your dress. Like, I
Yep.
don't really want you touching it.
Okay.
Okay.
I have pockets.
That would be cool.
Hold on.
Wait, which way
Actually,
do you
I would
want
hold
it,
on to your
Maddie?
dress because I want to see
Okay.
rings and fingers and everything.
Okay.
And we just want to press this out a little bit. It doesn't have
As
to
much
be.
as you can with the wind and try to.
So
get
guys,
it
I'm going to be shooting that. I'm going to be shooting from here that way, okay?
Can I just look up and kiss him, right?
You're going to look up. I like that, how you're a little bit far away.
Okay.
Get a little closer. Okay, make it a little easier. Okay, so what would be cool is if you have maybe your hands behind you like this, right? Like something like that. Like you want to
Yeah.
have a little fun. So you're
I'm
going
good,
to
yep.
you're going to do that
Find
to
your
start.
balance.
I'm good.
You're going to do that to start, and then I think maybe your second one is you can maybe get her under her chin or
There you
just
go.
bring her
Yeah.
in or something like that. What you want to do is hold on to your veil. You
Yep,
don't want
just
this
like
running
this.
around.
Yeah. Oh, I
So
just
let
lost it. Oh. Sorry.
so let me get set. Now let you guys let's straighten that a little bit.
Yeah. Find your core. Kind of like paddleboarding.
I'm right here.
Stay like that. Don't move. Okay, stay like that. Look right up to him, Meg. Big smile. Hold that. Okay, switch that pose, Dan. Maybe get her under her chin. Hold that. Kiss her. That is money. All right, we're good. We'll stay here for your video, guys.
All right.
Yeah, we're good.
Okay.
Got it?
We get it as we go.
Yeah.
We're easy.
Dan, she's good. You can grab. Yeah. That's how you do it, kids. Look how good that came out. Every time that we do this,
Yeah.
this one keeps getting better.
I love it.